Yeah, Candy Mountain, right. I'm just gonna, go back to sleep now.
No, Charlie!
Wait a minute. Did you hear that? That's a sound effect. I've recorded thousands of sounds over the years for various FilmCow projects.
When I get all steamed up, hear me shout.
And now these sounds are available to you completely free. You can use them in both personal and commercial projects royalty-free. Use them in videos, games, whatever. There's over 4,000 sounds. Most of it is Foley and material sounds like... Although there are some weirder ones too. Download them today at filmcow.itch.io.